to show you how to play Sugar Sugar by the Archies. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start off with the introduction. It's in the key of D, and there's only 3 chords. A D chord, a G chord, and then an A chord. But in the introduction you only have 2 chords, a D chord and a G chord, with the G in the center, D on the bottom. In the bass we've got a D, a G, D, D, a G, and we'll put those chords in there. So let me show you what you're doing. You've got a D F and a D F sharp A, going to a D G B, and we just pop them off of the D and the G. Repeat, G, repeat, D, and then we come in with the melody. Now I like to play it down here because it sounds more like the authentic thing, and then the melody is in their same vocal range. So let's go ahead and get the melody while we're at it. Then we'll put that introduction in a minute. So we've got B, A, and then A, B, D, A, B, G, G, B, 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 A, D, A, B, G. Those backup singers sing those other notes, and I just put them in there. And then you've got the melody kicks in. G, A, B, A, D, D, octave, E, 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 F sharp, E, D, A, B, A, D, A, B, G, B, 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 A, D, A, B, G, G, A, B, A, D, D, octave, E, back down to E, 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 F sharp, E, D, D. And then the verse is just F sharp, F, G, 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 A, F sharp, E, D, and then A, B, 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 A, back to F sharp, G, 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 A, F sharp, E, D, A, B, B, C sharp. That's pretty much got the melodic content. We've got some other little wrinkles in there, but that gets you going. So we'll start with the introduction. And my only caution is don't try to go too fast with it. Just keep it pretty slow. Show you some things on that. You've got the B and the D come together, then the D hip hops, and then G, 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 the G's come together, the B and the D go together, and this A and the D go. So the G, the B and the G go together again. I'm going to slow that down so you can see. And see that G comes in just slightly after the beat. Then hit a G and a B, and then an A and a C sharp, and fill out the A chord with this E. This A and the D go together, and then we got a D, a G chord, A chord. There's a little interlude right there. Back to the melody. This little interlude, they go D, B, A, and they do the left hand right with a D, 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 and we've got D, B, A. And when they put that A in there, it's part of the D chord, and we go right back into the verse. Now again, there's some timing things on this verse. The F sharp and the D go together. And the G comes after that first G. Then this G and the A are together. D and the A. Those are together. G and the B are together, but this B comes ahead of the D. Let me play it so you can see it. I'll go slowly. There you can see it. Then we've got... Then we're back into the chorus. Change a little bit. And so you just go to that A and you don't hit the chord. G chord, A, and then D, A. Then it's back to business as usual. So that it goes D, and then the two D's go together. Now that's interesting right there because you've got that little short D is hitting with the long D up here. And then we've got D, B, A. And then we've got the second verse. Now here there's a pickup. D-A. Instead of A, it goes D-A, A, B, 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 A. And then we've got and that's going to be F sharp, E, D, B, D, and then we've got the F sharp, poor little sugar, the F sharp, coming down, F sharp, E, D, B, D, B, do it again, and then we have this little riff, F sharp, A, B, D, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, then we're going to have then we're going to go up to an A right there instead of going down. So you've got A, F sharp, E, D. Then they go back to the regular, and then we go up to this F sharp. Same riff. We have F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, B, D, F sharp. This time we have the same thing. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, B, D, F sharp. All the way down, B, D, F sharp. So let's start from the second verse and we'll work our way through that. This A, you've got a B, D, F sharp up here. So you've actually got a B7 with A in the bass. And then we do it again. Now here you've got an A, F sharp, E, D. So the G comes after the B. G, A, F sharp, E, D. We go up with it, up this octave. Then we come back down for the B, D, F sharp, and we'll close it out. to the E right there, and then hit an open fifth in the bass. Then I come down right there. I come down and hit the D chord there. You could. But see, it sounds a little too harsh with that F sharp up there. So by coming down, it ends up nicely with a nice chord. So the end of that tag comes in with then right back to oh sugar, oh honey, honey. There you have it, Sugar Sugar by the Archies. I hope you enjoy playing it.